everyone, welcome back to Tech Vibes. Hope you're doing well today. In this video, we're going to make sure your PS5 sounds exactly how it should.
A quiet, consistent whisper, not a loud jet engine. Start by powering off your PS5 completely. Make sure your PS5 is not in rest mode, it should be fully shut down. Unplug the power cable from the back of the PS5. Also unplug any USB accessories connected to the PS5. Gently lift the PS5 and place it on a clean flat surface. Check the back ventilation grills of the PS5 for visible dust buildup. Use a soft brush and slowly wipe across the PS5 air vents. Move the brush gently to avoid pushing dust further inside the PS5. Take a can of compressed air and hold it upright near the PS5 vents. Blow short, gentle bursts along the PS5 vents. Avoid holding the air can upside down while cleaning the PS5. Do not spin the PS5 fan with compressed air. Now check the bottom side vents of the PS5 as well. Brush and blow air to remove dust around the PS5 base area. If your PS5 is placed inside a cabinet, now is the time to fix that. Move your PS5 to a more open space with room to breathe. The PS5 needs airflow on the sides, top, and rear for proper cooling. Place your PS5 vertically for best cooling performance. Now plug the power cable back into the PS5. Plug your HDMI cable back into the PS5. Make sure the HDMI cable is fully seated in the PS5 port. Reconnect your PS5 controller cable if you use a wired connection. Power on your PS5 by pressing the power button. Listen to the PS5 fan when it starts. A normal PS5 should sound like a smooth, soft airflow. If the PS5 still sounds louder than normal, we'll check fan workload. On your PS5 controller, press the PS button to open the quick menu. Go to Settings in the PS5 menu. Scroll to System Settings on your PS5. Select Power Saving on your PS5. Turn off any high-power background downloads on the PS5. Now go back to the main settings page on your PS5. Select Save Data and Game/App Settings. Clear any corrupted game data on the PS5 if found. Corrupted data can cause the PS5 to overheat from unnecessary processing. Now return to the main menu of your PS5. Close any games running in the background on the PS5. Make sure only one game or app is running on your PS5 at a time. Listen again to the PS5 sound level now. If your PS5 is quieter now, the first cleaning worked. If your PS5 is still louder than normal, we will deepen the cleaning. Power off the PS5 again completely. Unplug the PS5 power cable. Lay the PS5 on its side gently. Slide off the top faceplate of the PS5 carefully. You will now see the internal dust catchers of the PS5. Use compressed air to blow dust from the PS5 dust catchers. Carefully vacuum around the dust catcher openings of the PS5. Do not insert anything into the PS5 fan blades. Put the PS5 faceplate back on securely. Plug the power cable back into the PS5. Turn on your PS5. Listen again to your PS5 fan sound. It should now be a gentle, smooth airflow sound. Your PS5 should always sound quiet like this when cooling properly. If your PS5 still sounds loud, the fan or thermal paste may need service. But for most users, this cleaning is all your PS5 needs to stay quiet.